Hello everyone, make a high ponytail and then divide into two sections and do it as shown in the video. Pull it inside out, it will look like this. Attach it with the help of a rubber band. Now repeat the process on another side too and then make a cute little bun out of it. Cover your hairs very nicely and then accessorize it. It will look like this. It's done. For this, make a ponytail and then with the help of a bun stick, start making the cute little bun on the top and attach it very nicely and cover it with your hairs. Now take the remaining hairs, attach it with the help of a clip and it's done. For the next one in the video, make two sections out of your hair. Now take the one section and pull it inside out and make two braids out of it. Now pull it inside out the braids and attach it nicely. Now make two braids and it's all done. Accessorize it. For the next one in the video, make two ponytails and do it as shown in the video. Now take the ponytail and start making a cute little bun out of it with the help of a bun stick and cover your hairs nicely and attach it with the rubber band and it's all done. It is cute, right? For the next one in the video, make two ponytails. Now do it as shown in the video. Attach the braids and attach it all together with the ponytails. Now make a fishtail out of the ponytail and make a cute little bun. Now attach it with the help of a rubber band or extra accessories you want and it's all done. For the next one, make 5 sections out of your hairs. Now take the hair string, attach it very nicely and start making the braids with the help of a hair string as shown in the video. Repeat the process on all 5 sections of your hair and then attach it with the help of a rubber band. Take it all together and it's all done. For the next one, take a ponytail and then attach a bun stick and then start doing as it is shown in the video very nicely and gently and then tie it with the rubber band and it's all done. It is cute though, right? For the next one in the video, make two sections out of your hairs. Now take a ribbon, attach it and make it into a braid and then attach it with the help of a rubber band. Start making the cute little bun out of it and braid the remaining hairs and attach it. It's done. Thanks for watching.